Tell them we will war with them. Keep a pistol in the cut so we can score on them. With my niggas in the cell, I pour a four for them. Niggas sons, but they spending, they ain't doing nothing. Now they ain't doing nothing, said you gon' take some. So when you see me, pussy nigga, better shade some. I been spending money lately, time to make some. If we don't make it by the night, we gotta taste some. We gotta taste some. Tell them we will war with them. Keep a pistol in the cut so we can score on them.
What's up, guys? Young Asta came back with you guys with another reaction video. As you can see, I'm actually just laying down in my bed, so the angle might be a little weird, and I'm not sitting in a chair. So I heard Token's back, and he just released something called Cough Freestyle. I figure why not give y'all my reaction, and then, like I said, I break down what he raps after I'm done watching the full video. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I do everything differently. So other than that, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Trying to, goal is to reach 1K subs by the end of 2020. You know what I'm saying? And plus, since I'm on quarantine, I got nothing else better to do. So, share this video, all that stuff. Now let's get to the video.
Brand new crib, I left to wake up. Top day, same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Window blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I got a repertoire flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell her my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card hose. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend, no more attachment. Overread leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket, just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tigers pass it. I control her vision, plus I buy her lashes. Lashing out, I buy her back. In this life I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put a bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just met she let me hit it off the bat, I think she think I'm bearing bombs. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Ain't fucked engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keem up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meat up. I'ma get the wifey when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just import it. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spitting like I can't afford a lawyer, but I got 3 in my fucking corner. I could give you up cups, couple corners. I'm the fuck.
I'm gonna be honest, it's actually good hearing Token again. I'm gonna be honest with that, bro. Cause I think his last song, what was his last song? God damn it. Hold up. I'm gonna look it up for y'all. Real quick. The last song he put out was, oh crap. The last song he put out was, I believe, was with Token, YouTube rapper featuring Tech 9. But so what I got, okay, he says his pocket full of pornographic. I have no girl, no freaking attachments. That's a bar. That's a fucking bar right there. I don't care what nobody says. That is a bar.
Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend, no more attachment. Overread leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket, just so the broken have it.
Find the other bar.
Active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I'm marathon. Money first, I put the bag above off the bat. I think she think I'm bearing bombs. Everything thing I bar with those. Telling my chick I really don't trick, but I get a deck of card hoes. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket.
Ooh, he says you might think I'm broke, but I'm like far from broke. That's actually tough. That's actually a tough bar. That's a good bar. Ooh. Be like that.
I get a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet. In between all them
It'd be like that though. If you're making music, sometimes like some people start off doing it in the closet. He says a whole new tactic. I used to make music in my closet between all them jackets. Some people some people do that even now. They still make freaking they still do music in the closet. Which I mean, I'm not judging anybody. If you're making music, you find a space in your room, you do it, all that stuff. I ain't judging. Everybody creates content out of whatever. Like whatever you guys decide to do with how you make your videos and all that stuff, do it. At the end of the day, it's working, right? You know what I'm saying? Keep doing what you guys feel like is best for y'all when it comes to making content. For me personally, I'm doing this all on my phone for right now. Eventually, at some point, I'm gonna save money for a camera, and I definitely save. My parents are helping me out with the computer part. That's fine. But other than that, I mean, it is what it is. Like I actually miss Token's music. I was wondering when he's gonna put out the next song. I've been waiting for like a grip and stuff. Eventually I'll be able to pause the video and you can actually see me pausing the video. But for right now, all I can really do is just, watch it. And then I'm going to try and break down the lyrics for y'all. But other than that, I actually like the freestyle. I'm just glad that he's back for real. Like sometimes you just need to give yourself that break, whether if it's a few months, even a year. Like I told y'all, I was going in the Army and I took honestly 2 months off. Like I took 2 months off, and honestly it got to the point where I actually forgot I had a YouTube channel. But I'm back. You guys know I'm back for real. It is what it is. But other than that, if you guys are new to the channel, again, please subscribe, like, comment. I will put out more content for you guys since this quarantine stuff, and this quarantine stuff gives me plenty of time. Actually gives me mad time to actually put out more music for y'all and stuff, and whatnot. Please check out my other reaction videos. I'll put a playlist at the end of this video. Go check it out. Check out all the stuff I reacted to, and then comment down below what else you guys want me to react to and whatnot, and I'll make sure to do that for y'all. Other than that, Young as the King signing off. Peace.